The heart of the purification process depends on the filters inside. No matter how expensive your product is, it won't purify the air well if you don't manage the filters properly. Luckily, this part is easy. There are likely 3 filters in your Coway air purifier: a pre-filter, a deodorization filter, and a green true HEPA filter. The pre-filter captures large particles like dust and hair. To keep the pre-filter clean, we recommend carefully vacuuming or gently rinsing under water every 2 weeks. Be sure to completely dry the filter before reinstalling it. No other filters should ever be washed or cleaned. Since they are non-reusable, they should be replaced with new filters at the right time. If you have a product with a filter lifetime indicator, the indicator light will turn on when it's time to replace. Once you do, press the reset button. Otherwise, the filter life cycle won't be counted. If no indicator is present, replace the filter according to the time indicated in the manual. With proper filter management, you'll be enjoying all the fresh air that comes with your Coway air purifier for a long time to come.